Features of MS Excel. In this chapter, we will learn range, fill series and autosum, formatting worksheet. Range. A range is a group of adjacent cells. It is defined by giving the starting cell address and ending cell address in a range. Example, range of cells B1 is to B14 means cells from B1 to B14. Autofill. Autofill is used to enter a series of numbers or characters in a specified range. Autosum. Autosum feature is used to find the total value of the selected cells. Sorting. Sorting means arranging the data in ascending or descending order. Custom sorting. Custom sorting option is used to sort the data in user-defined order. Formatting worksheet. Formatting means arranging data in an attractive manner. Text alignment, text formatting and cell formatting can be done. Cell orientation is used to rotate the text within a cell. Cell orientation helps to align data according to user's choice. Worksheet views. We can view the worksheet in 4 different views: normal view, page break preview, page layout view and custom views.
In the last chapter, we studied about MS Excel. In this chapter, we can discuss more features on MS Excel. So, we can start from range. Range is a group or block of cells in a worksheet that has been selected. It is a group of adjacent cells in a worksheet. The range is defined by giving the starting cell address and the ending cell address in a range. In this picture, you can see that a group of cells are selected. A cell B1 to B15 are selected. So the group of cells from B1 to B15 are known as the range of cells. Next feature is autofill. Autofill is used to enter a series of numbers or characters in a specified range. Here we can discuss with an example. To get autofill, here you can see the numbers are entered in the cell 1 and 2. After typing this, you can see a black small spot on the right bottom of the corner of this cell. Click there and just drag down up to where you need to fill a series of numbers. Here you can see the example. The numbers 1 to 11. Here you can use the autofill option to enter the numbers to a selected range of cells. Autosum. Autosum feature is used to find the total value of the selected cells. Sorting. Sorting means arranging data in ascending or descending order. Sorting, ascending and descending. The sort and filter option on editing group provides different types of sorting. Here you can see the different types of sorting: smallest to largest, largest to smallest, custom sort. Custom sorting. Custom sorting option is used to sort the data in user-defined order. It is used to sort a worksheet on the basis of one or more selected rows and columns. Inserting sheets, cells, columns and rows. To insert sheet, click on the drop-down arrow on Cells group in Home tab. Then you will get the options in the drop-down list. From here, you can select the option which you require. This will help you to insert cells, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns, insert sheet itself. Another way to insert sheet is you can click on the plus icon which is located at the left bottom of the screen, or you can use the shortcut key Shift plus F11. Deleting sheets, cells, columns and rows. To delete sheets, click Delete drop-down arrow on Cells group in Home tab. Then you will get the options like Delete Cells, Delete Sheet Rows, Delete Sheet Columns, Delete Sheet. We can choose the option which we required from this list. Renaming a worksheet. To rename, right-click on the Worksheet tab at the bottom of the screen and select Rename option from the pop-up menu. Formatting worksheet. Formatting means arranging data in an attractive manner. To make a data more attractive, we can use text formatting. Text formatting options are used to change the font size, font color, bold, italics, underline, etc. Next type of formatting is cell formatting. Cell formatting options are used to change the cell color, border style, etc. Next is cell orientation. It is used to rotate the text within a cell. It helps to align data in different orientation. Different types of orientations you can see here, which we can apply to the cell. Worksheet views. The different types of worksheet views are normal view, page break view, page layout view, custom view. First one, normal view. Normal view is the default view of the worksheet. Second one, page break view. The page break view acts as a window to view a portion of the worksheet. Page break can be moved by dragging it and placing it anywhere on the sheet. Page layout view. It gives an instant view of the printed Excel pages. It shows the margins for each, any headers and footers, along with the breaks between each page. Custom view. It helps to see or print a specified area in the workbook.
That's all about this chapter. Thank you.